Jatend migao mar arita kwe Kipchumba Murkomen olero ni sirikal biro golo chung' mare ewi ringre joma nokuny Shakahola kendo ma wedegi pok oyango. Kane otwak gi jofwambo e boma ma Nakuru, Murkomen olero ni chenro mar yango jogo ok osebedo mayot ni mar wedegi pok owuok oko mar yango joheragi.
See, these people are not from Kilifi. They are from all over the country, Baringo, Vika walikuwa wengi, Siaya, Kisumu, all those places. Now, relatives in that place do not know that the person they lost actually went to Shakahola and they died there. So they are not even presenting themselves for DNA test. So the testing and concluding the matters has been complex, but we are about to make a decision as government to see if we can inter the remaining parts of bodies because of lack of any further people have come out for DNA, and maybe just create a memorial center within the Shakahola itself.